Welcome to the show. My name is Cyrano Parocino. I'm also known as the Godfather of MTV. और शो का नाम है बाप ऑफ बकरा यानी कि B.O.B. ये है हमारा पूछताछ रूम, इंटरोगेशन रूम. In fact, 10 years ago in this very room, my wife asked me to marry her. It was an offer I couldn't refuse. You see, I had a very short skirt on at the time. I've stopped wearing skirts now. What a lovely picture it was. Anyway, आज का episode में we are doing something very different, so stay where you are. When we come back, we introduce you to a brand new feature on Baap of Bakra. Imagine you have Bakra for 1 minute, you have Bakra for 10 minutes. कभी-कभी एक दिन के लिए भी we have done Bakra, but never in the history of MTV Bakra have we taken 3 full days from the life of a single person. This is day 1 of a 3-day gag, remember? Let's get into the setup. Bakra का नाम है Anil. This is the head office of lalurabri.com. It's a very famous website in Italy. Lots of people got together because of this website, and we thank Bullet.
Hi, my name is Bullet, and I'm the owner of a website called lalurabri.com. One of our very close employees who's a marketing executive, Anil. He was most closely associated with Lalu Rabri. Since he was so actively involved, we thought, why not make him a bakra?
He doesn't have a girlfriend, oh God.
3 days of things going wrong in his life.
Uncle, आपको मजा आया ना?
Please, बताओ घर किधर है?
पर मैं अकेले कहते हो भी I have a meeting in the evening, I can't come. अच्छा ठीक है, तुम please अपने phone पे available रहो.
Divya is an actress. She's hired by us. She's going to do the role of a senior executive who's just joined lalurabri.com. She's going to be the boss, immediate superior of this young boy, Kalani. This is where the gag begins. In Bullet's cabin, the main cabin of the entire office, there is a big team meeting going on where Bullet points out that aaj power will be handed over to a new lady whose name is Divya, and Anil himself must report to her. But he doesn't know that we control her. As Shakespeare said, Zindagi ek safar. He must suffer in this safar.
This is Divya. Really dynamic, really smart, and she's going to be taking over Lalu Rabri entirely. He's Anil. He's handling all the marketing right now. Anil, you'll be reporting to her. Okay, we will end up doing all those things. Now, the next 10 days or so will be very busy for both of y'all. Okay, because we have certain meetings lined up, and maybe you can tell her about the site. Okay, why don't you show her the site? I'll just come.
Very stupid idea taken there.
Okay, let's hear it. I can't read it.
It's like प्यार किया तो दिल ना मिला, दिल किया तो इश्क ना मिला, इश्क किया तो महबूब ना मिली, महबूब ना मिली तो जिंदगी ना रही, अब जिंदगी में एक फिर it's a blah blah and I've been a long time.
It's written by you.
हाँ मैं क्लास हूँ.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. We'll have it. Just come in and have it.
What's your complete name?
Anil S. Chauhan.
Chauhan. How long have you been working here?
For last 2 months.
2 months.
It's probably going to be.
Pretty new. Tell me something. Should be something romantic, shouldn't it?
I know it's nothing romantic, but anything like.
No, it should be something romantic. It's the dating site, so. What should I write? Tell me.
आँखों में तेरा ही चेहरा, धड़कन में तेरी ही यादें करती है दीवाना.
The boss is going to ask young Anil about Divya, and he's going to tell Bullet that Divya is a beautiful person.
क्या लगता है? Is she worth it? Is she worth it? Is she worth it? What does it?
She's okay.
But that's what, no, because I'm making big plans with her. If I send her for meetings and all, Sida tomorrow, she should be prepared and everything. No, do one thing. Monday, na? Monday call up mediators and fix an appointment for the following week. Tomorrow you'll have your meetings. Friday you'll have whatever. Going to Delhi mostly. Sunday for holiday. Okay. Okay.
I had to go see if my driver had khana or not. Hello?
Bossy,
Reema here. Hi, bolo.
it's raining very heavily. I'm stuck here near Fame. Can you please come and receive me?
को तो टाइम लगेगा, आज मेरी मीटिंग है शाम को. तो किसने कहा था वहाँ तक जाने को? अब वापस कैसे आओगे?
I don't know.
पर मैं अकेले कैसे आऊँ अभी? I have a meeting in the evening. I can't come. अच्छा ठीक है, तुम प्लीज अपने फोन पे अवेलेबल रहो. God, my niece went to see a movie without telling me. हाँ, and they're in Fame Ad Labs and बारिश हो रही, she doesn't know how to come. अच्छा, are you busy right now by any chance? Can you pick her up or something? My house is right very close by. Oh God. She's there, but yeah, she's very naughty. I don't trust her. I will give her your number and just keep this.
You know like किधर आता है? मालूम ना आपको इधर फेम एड लैब मालूम ना आपको? नहीं. चलो आपको बताओ. Very good. think they're over there. Okay.
Poor Anil bhai, he's reached Fame Ad Labs. He expects to find Reema, but it's not just Reema. It's Reema, Seema, Tina.
No. No. Sit there. Sit there. उधर बैठो. अरे uncomfortable
Listen, do whatever. I'm getting late for meeting, huh? Because your Mosi has to be in a meeting. So decide up where we.
Yeah, sit there. I'm telling.
आपको मालूम ना किधर रहते हैं ये लोग? नहीं, मुझे नहीं मालूम है.
So uncle, what do you do? I'm Azi also.
Uncle. Look at uncle.
Uncle.
Next time you tell me uncle na, just take it to my office.
Uncle Sam.
ये pleasant experience तो नहीं है for बेचारा Anil. He's being called uncle. He's a young boy. He doesn't want to be called uncle by young girls. They gumao him. They take him all over the place. Visit places he doesn't want to go to.
My guy wants to meet me. Can we go to bandstand? Yeah! Good plan.
आप ऐसा करो, मेरे को ऑफिस छोड़ो आप इन लोग. My job is to drop you at your home. अगर तुम लोगों को जहाँ पे जाना है, so making other plan. Sorry.
Uncle, no यार, uncle. Are you married? You have a
No, not.
मुझे लगता है कि कोई गर्लफ्रेंड तो होगी. झूठ कितना बोल रहे हो? अंकल आप डांस वांस करना आता है? चलो डांस करते हैं.
दोस्त तुम्हारे बॉयफ्रेंड कैसे एडजस्ट करते हैं?
Thank God. We don't have a boyfriend. अगर boyfriend होता तो इतनी लाइफ मिserable नहीं बना देते. आपकी जिंदगी जीती है.
सच्ची मैं
आपने तो बोला आप भूल जाते हो. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग उधर जाते हैं. Bye uncle. Bye uncle. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
His debacle is over. He's feeling better. He's now talking to Divya about what happened, and he tells her, "Don't worry, your niece Reema is safe." But then a phone call will happen. Apparently, Reema has not reached home.
हाँ काका, वो रीमा बेबी घर आई है? अभी तक आई नहीं. वो तो शाम को बोली वो आ गई घर पे. No, my niece is missing. I don't know what to do. She's not reached home. She's young, यार. Why do you think I should make a police complaint or something?
Everybody will be quiet. I'll talk here. Talk to me for 10 minutes. I'll be gone.